Hi everyone, it's Chris here at Purely Outdoors, and today we're going to be reviewing the Isabella Cirrus North awning. So this is in the 4 meters in width, does also come in the 3 meters as well, and you get 2.75 meters of depth. So really good porch awning if you are conscious of space. Obviously, as we know, Isabella, very premium brand, and we'll explain the reasons for that in this video. We'll start with the fabric. So this is an acrylic isocryl fabric from Isabella. What that means, it's very breathable, made up of a lot of natural fibres. So great for sort of reducing your condensation buildup and making sure it's breathable all year round. As well as that, it comes in the North fabric is a lovely bluey grey colour, and it's actually solid dyed. So what that means is you'll keep that colour for long periods of time and it won't fade. So very good quality fabric to start with. Also worth mentioning, they've added the PVC fabric at the bottom. So again, more harder wearing where you're going to get puddles and mud, a lot easier to clean. So really nice little feature there. Going on to the air beam system. So again, you've got your single point inflation with 3 deflation valves. So very quick and easy to get it inflated on the campsite. As we then go through some of the further exterior features, we've got this integrated canopy. So again, fully air beamed as well, and it goes the full way around the awning. So the reason behind that, where you're going to get rainfall, the canopy actually deflects that from going on to the main fabric of the awning. So again, just reduces watermarks and stuff like that. So lovely little feature there. We've also got the Typhoon strap points as well. So again, these are in the top beam here and also on the side. So again, they can be purchased separately depending on how many you need. In terms of the panels, so the front 2 panels, again, can be fully zipped out. We've shown one here as the full window, full height window, which lets in loads of light, and you've got the curtain as well if you want that privacy. Worth mentioning the 2 side panels as we just work our way round. Again, you've got the mosquito net, which you can zip back the window pane, and if you want that breathability in the summer months, you've got that mosquito nets on either side. You've also got further zip points as well here. If you do want an extension to go on either end, you can zip those in. So perfect, lovely quality awning as we mentioned before. We'll now make our way inside and talk through some of the interior features there. Okay, so inside the Cirrus 400 now, and I think the first thing to note is again the quality of the roof fabric here. So we've got a lovely pattern design. We've also got this intertwined sort of lighter fabric as well that just lets loads of light pour into the awning. So a lovely little feature there. As we move our way backwards, we've got these lovely inflatable bumper pads just to give a really tight seal to your caravan. Again, a lot of the other manufacturers tend to use foam pads. They've just gone that extra mile on that. So again, lovely feature. As we move across, we've got the high level ventilation. So again, in both of the top corners, and their iconic porthole window. Again, just that extra little touch and just adds a little bit more light into the awning. As we then move our way round, you can see we've got these the points for your veranda bars. So again, fully inflatable, just means you can drop the front panels down to half height in the summer months and just let a little bit more airflow into the awning. In terms of some options that you might want to add to the Cirrus, we've got a choice of carpets in 3 different colours. So the North, the Dawn and the Flint. So lovely quality carpet, really easy to clean and very lightweight. So definitely worth checking those out. To add to that, we've got a load of different accessory options. So check out our website for whether it's storage, dining tables, chairs. We've got the full range on there. So definitely worth checking those out because we've really found the accessories match the quality of the awnings. Very sort of best in class on all areas on that front. So I think in summary, the Cirrus 400, if you are in the market for a very premium awning that you know is going to last the test of time, and you're very sort of conscious of all the little details that make up a good awning, even if it's down to the curtain clips, they've literally thought of everything, and the fabrics, the air systems, everything is best in class. So we'd really recommend this awning. As always, if you want any more information on the Cirrus, we'll be putting all the links to our website below, so www.purelyoutdoors.co.uk, where you can read the full product specification and features on there as well. But thank you so much for watching.